Materials: light material, string, scissors, 2 small pieces of materials, sticks. Step 1. Take the 2 sticks and tie them together with a ribbon. Step 2. Then make a double knot at the intersection of the cross. Step 3. Take the material and tie a simple knot at the cross under the frame to make a sail. Step 4. Tie a pyramid shape to fit the frame of the kite in order to help balance the triangular forms. Step 5. Tie string from one side of the cross of the kite and make a double knot with slack. Step 6. Attach the flying string under the slack to the bottom of the kite. Step 7. Fly your kite in the wind.